and another day in Veliko Tarnovo. And what is actually better than touring a beautiful city? Well, touring a beautiful city with a local is much better, and that's what I'm going to do right now. It will be a quick tour. Most stuff I already saw, but he will show me, you know, the stuff that maybe some people wouldn't visit. So, all good?
Yeah. You?
Yeah. Yeah, sorry that I'm a bit later.
No,
Can I throw the backpack in the back or
of course.
something?
It's a lot of space here.
Oh yeah, enough.
Good.
Alright, perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, so we drove up on top of the hill of Veliko Tarnovo. And
Yes.
what, do you know the name of this place?
Lulecite.
Ah, and this is Dan, or Dani.
Dani.
Dan the man. And we're making a small tour here around Veliko Tarnovo. So this right here, well, it's already a nice view, but it will get better. Oh yeah, the gallery there,
Yeah.
and then Tsarevets, and there's a Svetagora, right?
Yes.
And the lookout, the viewpoint must be somewhere there then. You can't see it. It's hard to see. It's very small, I guess.
These are the stairs, and it is somewhere in the big forest, but I
Yeah,
cannot see
it's too small to see probably.
Yeah.
Because that...
And there is this circles.
Oh really? On to the next location.
Old, but I don't know.
We have just arrived at another viewpoint on the other side of the city, and we were hoping to get in this building, but we can't, or can we?
Maybe we will.
Let's try. What was the story about this building? Why they didn't finish it, or it was
a hotel, but they didn't have enough money
Oh,
to finish it.
and it's for sale now? No, they don't sell it.
They sell it, but nobody buy it.
Yeah, well, it's a bit ruined now. It's too late now.
No, not from here.
Like here, what happened here?
There was electricity, but the gypsies...
They took for the copper.
Yeah.
Really?
They sell it, yeah.
They really opened the well just for that?
Yeah.
Sick.
Crazy.
They should take this maybe, because so we can get in again.
Crazy gypsies, man. No.
Yeah, in Belgium they also steal it, even from the railways.
Come
You know,
on.
from the train, eh?
Yeah,
They
yeah.
steal it, the metal.
Yeah. It costs money, you know.
Yeah.
Especially now.
Yeah, especially now.
So, this is one of the really good climbing.
That one?
Yeah, and that one here. This is the house.
Ah,
the small house in the-
that one
in
that
the
we
rocks.
saw. Yeah. Damn. That's crazy. You climbed that?
Yeah,
Crazy.
they are really good roads. Yeah, we can go up.
Even one more?
I think everybody from Tarnovo has a dream to build this house, you know. Bulgarka.
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 Yes.
Damn, I have a hard time reading. Especially that letters is even more artistic, you know.
Here.
What? So in '84 there was an earthquake and it was very bad, or?
Yeah. There is a small town here. Tarnovo, it was grounded.
What? Grounded completely?
Almost.
Damn.
Many people died there.
Oh yeah? Alright. Sketchy sightseeing here in Veliko Tarnovo. Don't come here when it rains, I guess. Don't you think?
So so it's a small house with chimney.
Oh yeah. So it's really like to make a fire.
Yeah, I told you they sleep here sometimes.
It's like a mountain hut, you know, like.
Yeah, exactly.
Kind of,
It's I don't know how to say in English. The house of alpinism.
Ah, yeah. So when you go from one way to another or something, you just take a night here. And, yeah.
Something like this.
Yeah, here I already feel it a bit.
Yeah, it's good. And the rocks are big here too.
This is a bit sketchy here.
80 meters long.
80 meters.
From down to up.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck, should I move it?
No, this one.
Wait, we will move it. Fuck.
Maybe from the last storm.
Seems like we have a little obstacle on the road. We will try to move it. Damn. Wait, this one. We can move it there. Like that? No, not yet. Wait. Can we turn it maybe?
No. Leave it like this.
Can you? Do you drive over that?
Yes, I think.
Later.
Okay.
Good. Yeah? All right, we cleared the road. I think so.
Yeah, it's possible.
Obstacles. Obstacles on the road. And we passed. Hopefully not too many others.
I don't think so, but
What's the name of this place?
Saint Trinity.
We have arrived at Saint Trinity Monastery. It's a bit hard to see, but somewhere there. Oh, and these are the rocks?
Yeah,
Oh, and those are the caves.
and there is a big one, big cave, and
Oh,
you
yeah.
can go there if you want. It's 5 minutes away,
Yeah, sure.
but not from the monastery. If you want.
Ah,
to go
not
inside
allowed for photos.
for photos. Yes,
You can't use cell phone here and photos apparently. They didn't say anything about drones.
If you want, we can knock. They will let us go inside if you want.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
You want to
we're
see
not
the
going to
cave?
bother them. It's with female
Only
monks,
female.
eh? Or how you call it? Sisters or
Yeah.
sister? So we're going to a cave now then.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
It's open one
Okay,
in front of the rocks, but it's big. It's good.
cool. So right now we're driving through Arbanasi, which is like a small town, a village.
Village.
A
Old
village
one.
not so far from Veliko Tarnovo, and it's famous for the typical architecture, old houses, like what, 400 years old you
Yeah,
said?
yeah, yeah.
400 years old and stuff. You can see how they built the walls. Maybe I will get something to eat. Do you want something? Like something to eat now, or I don't know if you're hungry.
We can go to a place, you will love it.
Yeah? You have time, huh?
For burgers or something. Or you can eat it now at my place. Maybe
No,
my
I-
mom cooked something.
Bah, you don't need to do that.
No,
for
it's
me.
not a problem.
Най-нещо, че горещичко.
Ами, че не е ли топличко?
Те са свободни.
Здравейте, картофи искам.
Здрасти.
От кои да взема?
Кой ще нас снимат ли?
Ами, той е едно приятел, че обикаля света и снима навсякъде. Да дойде на пазар. Ти сма, я? Я, давай.
Харесва ли? Да, да.
Много добре, в България чуди. Краставици.
Пазара харесва ли? Ме го
Do you like the place?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Good.
This one I never saw. It's like a light color.
It's
What are those? Or tomatoes?
yeah,
So big.
but really good. If you want, take one.
No, it's okay. I don't know how to.
It's
nice.
homemade. It's not
Thank
from
you.
the shitty one from the supermarkets, you know.
Oh, it's really good. Fresh strawberries, really good.
Някакви по твой избор, не знам.
Има, че букука захвърля на земята в България.
You can throw it.
It's allowed here, yeah.
It's really good.
You can.
So if you want some fresh vegetables, come to, what's the name of this market?
I don't know. I don't know.
Just continue the main
public.
street in the
Central market.
central market. Fresh vegetables, Bulgarian vegetables, great strawberries.
Yeah, the strawberries are good. And flowers.
And flowers. We're having a dinner as recommended by a typical Bulgarian with some yogurts, drink yogurts. And this his place, Candy Fast Food, is it right? Candy Fast Food. Candy Fast Food. Come here, great food. Recommended. Thanks Dani, Dan the man. Thanks for the tour.
Always. You are welcome again.
Take care, bye. Say hi to your friends also.
Yeah, thank you.
Ciao.
See you.
Alright, this was it for the Off the Beaten Path tour in Veliko Tarnovo. See you in the next video. And for the people that are still watching, I have a little bonus. I'm not in Veliko Tarnovo anymore, but I'm on the way to Plovdiv right now. Plovdiv, and I stopped at the Buzludza monument, which is right behind me. And it's pretty impressive, damn. I don't think it gets more Soviet than this, for real. Damn. Look, look. Damn. But you have to drive on a terrible road for about 30 minutes to reach this point. But I guess it's worth it, for sure.